10 years ago I made these mug mats and now it's time to make some new ones. I will show you a very cool life hack for sewing perfect circles. I will make the mug mats using the leftover pieces of my couch slip covers. At first, take something round about the size of the mats you want to make and cut slightly bigger pieces of fabric. I will use the first piece to cut more of the same size. You need to have an even number of fabric pieces. Lay a measuring tape in front of the presser foot and align the end with the needle. Place a thumb tack to determine the radius of the mats, then use duct tape to fix it in place. The thumb tack must be leveled with the needle. Now put two fabric pieces with the right sides together. Put them under the presser foot and rotate them around the thumb tack just to see if you have positioned them in the right spot. Push them on the thumb tack, lower the presser foot and start sewing. Keep the upper layer flat while sewing and stop before you sew the full circle. You need to have a small hole for turning the fabric. It should look like this. Now take pinking shears and cut around the piece to remove the excess fabric. After you cut around the piece, turn it inside out. Fold the sticking fabric inside and make a top stitch around the piece or use the leather stitch to close the hole. This is the final result. Now let's make a case for the mug mats. I will use two fabric pieces and the leftover zipper. Fold one of the pieces and cut it in half. Now sew the zipper to the pieces. I'm using the zipper presser foot and the stitch length is set to 3. When you get to the slider, lower the needle, raise the presser foot and move it out of the way. Now place the other half and sew it to the zipper the same way. It should look like this. Now we have to make a top stitch on each side. I'm using the Teflon presser foot and the stitch length is set to 5. Don't forget to support me by liking the video. Now it should look like this. Open the zipper slightly and place the second fabric piece on top of the first one. Both pieces must be facing each other. Place something round on top and draw a circle using sewing chalk. Make sure the zipper stays in the center. Now you have to sew around the circle. I'm using the Teflon presser foot and the stitch length is set to 3. When you get to the zipper, sew back and forth several times to make it stronger. Now use scissors and cut the excess fabric. At this point you can turn the case inside out. Our case is ready. And this is what it looks like with the mug mats inside. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, have a nice day and see you next time.